Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Cetera. This is Rionne. How may I be of service today? I think everything makes me smile. I'm just a really smiley person. One of my biggest love languages is gift giving, and I really love to put smiles on people's faces. Whenever I try a new recipe, I like to give them to my friends just as a I'm thinking of you type thing. You get to really know somebody over that interaction that you had with even just giving someone something. I think a lot of my passions outside of work also relate to what I do for work. I take calls for Advisors Works and our tech support teams, getting to connect with advisors and reps and admins, making sure that they get the service that they need. I always like to be there to provide them any answers to their questions. We have offices that are transitioning from paper to electronic, and it's a really big jump for them, and it's really scary. And I understand that. We are here for you. Always feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to assist you and guide you and make it a smooth line as possible. We work together to make sure that you get what you need done. That, to me, is the Cetera way. It is great, it is convenient, and it is always innovative.